If you want to create your own business and you're unable to stay focused for more than 3 minutes, then business topic is probably not for you and you should skip this video. Hello my dear friends, my name is Anthony and I'm here to help you create bigger and more profitable business. Today's topic is a dark truth about being an entrepreneur. As always, I will try to squeeze all the info in 2 to 3 minutes so you'll be able to stay focused. Many people think that being an entrepreneur is a definition of freedom. So basically, many people think that while creating your own business, you will have loads of time for many different things, like going out, like having fun, like spending time with your family. The problem is that's not true. Basically, being an entrepreneur means that you work twice or even 3 times as hard as your colleague which is working in corporate world, and probably you will fail much more and you'll be much more stressed than they are. On a mass media, you will probably see only those percents that succeeded. You will see Zuckerberg, you will see Musk, you will be able to see many influential people that created their business and now earning billions of dollars. However, when they started from the lowest point ever. They worked, there was no thing like 50-hour work week for them. When you're an entrepreneur, at the beginning stage, you will have to work 24/7. You'll have to be connected to your email. You'll have to talk to your customers. You will have to create value and to promote yourself and build that platform 24/7. Basically, being an entrepreneur is much more demanding than being a corporate worker. However, in 5 to 10 years, if you were working and you were doing your job and you're creating your business and building all the things that you had to build, you will probably create something that pretty much works without you. But it's very hard to get to this point. In addition, 9 out of 10 businesses fail, mostly in 3 years from the opening. If you ask me why that happens, the answer is simple. They were not suited for that heavy lifting, for that hard work to continue and add value and work 24/7 to create their business. Most of those people who fail thought that when they start business, they will have money, they will have income. Most of people I talked to never thought about the question, how to get your first customer. Basically, I created this video for those people. You can see it here. Many of the entrepreneurs that fail don't really create a business plan. They don't check the market. They just dive in, but instead of working hard, they just think that 3 to 4 hour week day is okay and then everything else will follow. No, that's not the truth. Most of the time you will have to work very hard for a pretty long period of time to get noticed, to get your business running. That's why in my latest intros, I ask you not to watch this video if you don't have enough patience for 3 minutes. Because creating a business is a complicated process that involves a lot of work and a lot of study and reading. You will have to learn new things, you will have to create new connections with people, you will have to promote yourself, you will have to create a team. There are a lot of things that are going on in a business. And at the end of this journey, yes, you will have your freedom, but it won't be a total freedom. It will be the freedom to choose what product to create. It will be a freedom to choose which product to promote. But you will still need to work and work hard. You will work less, that's right, you will work less hours a day, but you will continue working for long periods of time. The best example of it, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. They're still working and there is no 50-hour week for them. They work much more than that. And you know why? Because they're passionate about what they are doing, because now they are free to do whatever they want and whatever they like. That's the freedom of an entrepreneur. Not the free time, but using your time to create something you're passionate about. That's the main difference. So there is no reason to go into business if your idea is to work less and gain more money. No, that's not the point. The point is freedom of choice, a freedom of creating your own product, your own service. And I don't want to discourage you because I'm an entrepreneur and I hope that you are too. I just want you to understand what is involved in being an entrepreneur and what you have to do and what you have to overcome to get the freedom of choice So please, don't be those 90% that fail because they're not ready to work. I'm asking you to be the 1%. I'm asking you to succeed, to work hard, to believe in yourself and create a bigger and more profitable business. If you want more of this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.